Greetings from Khartoum to all of your friends today. I'm Kerem with you with a surprise and legendary video. And I want you to pay attention to today's date and a part of my personal information in the about section of my YouTube channel and in the description section of my videos. So what is that part you need to pay attention to? Today's date is April 21, 2024, and the part of my personal information that I want you to pay attention to is my birth year, and my birth year is April 21, 2000 and 2007. So what does this mean? Today 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 is today is the second anniversary of the our YouTube channel. But but the main topic I will talk about is my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And yes, I was born in Ankara on April 21, 2007, and I was able to come to this world thanks to thanks to a cesarean section. and my mother and my mother has put a lot of effort into me, and I don't know how I can repay her. Anyway, today is both my birthday and my YouTube channel is turning 2 years old, and as of today I'm turning 18, and I'm officially an adult. In other words, I'm an adult. Anyway, that's all. That's that's all. That's all for our birthday video. I hope you like it, and I hope I was able to shot a nice video for you. I thought I thought I expressed all my feelings about my birthday in this video. Anyway, you can subscribe to our channel and like our video. My contact link is in the description. I love you all. I love you all, including our social media and game accounts. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.